Bill's 1955 Thunderbird. We're gonna take the radio out of her, get her ready to send off, so it'll have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. We're gonna pull the speaker out as well, because he fell in love with how it is in the Avanti, so he wants the T-Bird the same. Alright, so first step is gonna be to pull the knobs off. Real nice and easy. Pull these off too. Easy. Then we will take our nuts off here, which we have the tool for, and bring her out the back side.
Alright, so there's a stud right here, a nut that we've unbolted. I disconnect that wiring connector. I'm going to go around to the other side and undo the rest of the wiring and get this radio out.
So I had to drop our AC unit, which is aftermarket, just out of its brackets and slide it over, just so we get clearance to get our radio free. This radio's been modified in the past. It's got balance on the back of it, and it's definitely not original, but it's dated either way. So I would say, obviously, let's send it out, get it updated. AM, FM, Bluetooth, the whole shebang-a-bang.